Headline from the earnings space, Bharti Airtel has reported a mixed set of numbers for Q4. Now, the telecom major has missed street expectations on both the profit and the revenue front, but it's actually topped margin estimates. Bharti Airtel has blamed what it sees as sustained predatory pricing. Those are the words being used by Gopal Vittal from Reliance Jio for a 7% drop in India revenues. Reema has been waiting by to analyze those numbers. The results came out very, very late this evening. Reema, take us through the highlights of the quarter that's gone by for Bharti Airtel.
Well, for Bharti Airtel, the revenues and profits have come in lower than expectations. Revenues have declined by 6%. Profits have come down by 25% quarter on quarter. That said, the margin performance is better than what the street was anticipating, only a decline of about 30 basis points. Two key reasons. One, the decline in India margins lower than expectations. And secondly, Africa margins continue to improve for the sixth straight quarter. On the India business, continues to remain under pressure. This was the second straight quarter of Jio's free offering, and that is reflecting in the company's financials. So India revenues are down nearly 6% odd. Voice pricing has come down by nearly 17.5% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. The sharp decline in pricing is driving an improvement in volumes. So the volume growth is looking up close to about 15% odd. But that is largely on account of the bundled offerings. In the quarter gone by, most of the offers now have thrown in free voice calling, as a result of which the voice volumes have gone up. If you look at the data business, there is a record drop in the data pricing. So data pricing is down by nearly 32% quarter on quarter versus just about a 10% drop that we used to see for the last 2 quarters. And again, because so much data is thrown in all the packs, the data volume numbers are looking quite good. But the pain on account of Jio is quite real this time around in the India business yet again. If you look at the Africa performance, the revenues have been impacted on account of the rupee appreciation, but there is an improvement in margins. So in the last 6 quarters, Africa margins have gone up by close to about 560 basis points. But on the whole, it's quite a muted quarter for Bharti Airtel because of the pressure that the company is facing on account of Jio and the competitive industry. And remember, Jio's aggressive tariffs have all been countered by Bharti Airtel, and that is hurting their India business quite a bit. So they've managed to protect their margins, and the margin performance is a lot better than what the street was anticipating, but the pressure on account of Jio is quite telling.